Drive chain. Sprocket. What are they?
You have ridden a bike, haven't you?
Of course, I was riding a bike almost every day. Oh. A bike has a chain, too.
That's right. Motorcycles have drive chain as well as bikes do.
The sprocket is the gear that engages with the chain. The construction is very similar between a bike and a motorcycle.
I've fixed this as my bike's chain came off from the sprocket.
By the way, do you know why the bike chain came off?
I don't know. Just I realized that it had been fine for a while. But it comes off easily since it came off for the first time.
Probably that's because the chain got stretched and loose.
What? Motorcycle chain gets stretched as well.
That's right. That's why you need to check the slack of the drive chain on a regular basis. This is one of the items in the pre-ride inspection specified by Honda.
Doctor, if we keep riding the motorcycle with the drive chain too tight, the drive chain gets stretched sooner. On the other hand, if the drive chain is too loose, it doesn't engage with the sprocket properly, right?
You're right. However, even it looks like keeping appropriate slack, which means neither too tight nor too loose, both drive chain and sprocket get worn out. So, don't forget to have a periodic maintenance.
I understand now. Thank you. I will make sure to have a pre-ride inspection and periodic maintenance.
If you find that the drive chain is too tight or too loose at pre-ride inspection, go to a Honda dealer and get it fixed right away.
Go to Honda dealer and have a checkup. Don't forget to replace it depending on the condition.